Okay, we have our package here of our air induction system here. So yeah, we're gonna be installing it right here. This mass air sensor, and disconnect that real quick. I can get it up. What is this here? So the push in. There it is. Bam. Get that off there. Easy breezy. You're gonna need a screwdriver. Get this off. Let's open this package and see what. It's a pretty small box for what it is. Let's see. What the hell we got here? Oh yeah, we got a new filter. And it looks like somebody designed a coupler that attaches to the mass air sensor. 4 bolts. And I don't think any bolts come with it, so I may have to. We'll see if there's something in here or not. Maybe some bolts in there, hopefully. So yeah, this is it. Let's get the original factory one off real quick. Comes with a plate, adapter plate. And what looks like a filter. Wow, they even taped this up. Adapter plate. Yep, does come with screws. Bam. You got screws, gasket, or adapter plate, and here we go. Awesome. And you get a clip to adapt it onto the filter end. Hose clamp, excuse me. So let's get the old one off. Bam, bam, bam. So you got 4 screws that attach it to this housing. Now the horsepower increase is debatable. I don't have a dynamometer or any kind of anything to measure the horsepower. There's no horsepower gain, claims, but I think they say up from 5 to 10 horsepower gain on a 2.5 liter. Let's get this thing off. 8 millimeter. Lucky there's a gasket here still on this one. We're gonna use, because I would not put this on here. You create a huge restriction, and really it's counterproductive. Instead, we're just gonna use this plate and the gasket that was on here. That's still on here. They do line up. Here we go. Bam. So Okay, we got it together here. Nice and tight. Not too tight because this will crack, I believe. It's made out of cast. Anyway, so they come with a clamp and your air filter. Got the clamp on. Just want to put it right like this. Slide it on. There we go. We have it all together now. So let's see, will it fit in the stock location? We got to remove this whole assembly. Alright, once you pop the lower push pins out, you got two more on this side. So wedge the screwdriver under there and just pop out. Push up on it and it should pop out like that. Now you got these two. It should just wedge something in there and pop them out like that. You can see them on the side right there. Now we have this whole assembly out. The rest should just pop out like that. Boom, boom. You can remove this whole box. Okay, now you can see what we had. This was the air inlet. This little knob here. Let's take another look here. It was coupled to this assembly right here. Let's see if I can get a camera around it. You can see it. That's it. That's your air inlet. Stock air inlet, excuse me. Just like that. That was how. Get rid of this whole assembly here. Okay, I just need to make a bracket here. Drill 2 holes. Got it set up. Okay, I decided to add another bracket. Got 2 brackets here now. Attach them to the bottom side of this air intake. Alright, got it all attached. Tighten up these bolts. And there she is. She ain't going nowhere. There's the intake. Don't forget to put the mass air sensor cable back on. Right here. Mass air sensor cable. Don't forget that. Put that down like that. Make sure it's away from all the heated areas. There you go. Aftermarket intake on a Ford Ranger. Just got to make your own bracket like I did there, and that's it.